I have bought a dedicated bumper sag fix kit from JT Specs. Now this is specifically designed for the Accord Euro, CL9 and CL7, so this will be a direct bolt-on to the front bar. Alright, so just before we get into the video, I just want to say a massive thank you to everyone who has supported me. I am very grateful, and I want to hit 100 subs by at least the end of the year. But yeah, just saying, this video is not sponsored. It's 100% my honest opinion. I only recommend products that I genuinely believe that is useful to you guys. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. You guys can probably see from the montage, this is what it looks like before. My grill is not sitting right. So yeah, this should definitely fix it. Alright, so while I'm doing this, yeah, the quality of this kit is really good. Of course, it is made out of metal. I'm not sure if it's steel or aluminum or some kind of other metal. But yeah, the quality on this is superb. And of course, the design with the little Accord down at the bottom, I like it. That's a very nice touch. Installation-wise, this kit actually didn't come with instructions. So I'm installing it based off how I think it should be installed and just based off the pictures that are on the website. So yeah, the installation wise, it's very simple. The kit comes with everything you need. You don't need to buy anything else. The total cost was, I think, $80 for me, including shipping. But yeah, installation wise, very simple, very straightforward. The bolts as well, it's just 14mm nuts. The bolt and nut are 14mm, so it's pretty simple. And yeah, other than that, I'm pretty satisfied with the kit. So yeah, just got the bumper on. I'm kind of confused. This side is gone. This side, however, has not changed at all. Yeah, I don't know if it's because I installed it wrong, or is it because something's wrong with my bumper. But all my tabs are intact. Maybe because my bumper's a bit warped. I don't know. But I don't think the lift kit is doing much because it's not actually touching the actual bar. So yeah, I'm gonna try it again, figure it out, and I'll get back to you guys. Alright guys, so I found the problem. It's actually not the lift kit. It was actually, I think, just my bumper. Now you can see this is with the lift kit on. Okay, so the bumper sag is obviously gone. Alright, the gap is very nice, but the main problem is with my car, of course, because my bumper's a bit warped. So whenever I push this one in, the other one pops out. When I push that one in, this one pops out. So yeah, I think it's just more of my bumper, and also the fact that the wood was kind of high, so that's why the bar was kind of sitting on top. Maybe over time it will drop down, get onto the lift kit, and do its job. But yeah, overall, lift kit quality, pretty good. These guys are located in Western Australia, so if you're on the East Coast, you're gonna expect to wait a few weeks because, of course, of delivery. That's not their fault, of course, but yeah, just be warned. Be mindful. For $80, it's not bad, honestly. Like it does better than wood. Wood degrades over time. This is just, I don't know if it's steel or aluminum, but yeah, it's gonna last forever. So yeah, definitely worth checking them out. I'll link in the bio the specific product I bought. Again, if you guys do enjoy, please like and subscribe. I have more videos planned. But yeah, bumper sag is now fixed. My car is looking a lot better and it's not being propped up by wood. So yeah. The quality on this is superb, and of course the design with the little Accord down at the bottom, I like it. That's a very nice touch. Installation wise, this kit actually didn't come with instructions, so I'm installing it based off how I think it should be installed and just based off the pictures that are on the website. Yeah, the installation wise, it's very simple. The kit comes with everything you need. You don't need to buy anything else. The total cost was, I think, $80 for me, including shipping. Now, of course, it did take a while because they are located on the other side of Australia. So if you're on the East Coast like me, expect at least a few weeks to get a transport. Of course, that's not the business's fault. That's just how it is when you live in such a big country. But yeah, installation wise, very simple, very straightforward. Now, the main problem with this, of course, is also just the fact that when I installed it, I think my wood did a little bit too much correction. It overcorrected the little frame there. So yeah, it was sitting actually a bit higher and the kit wasn't actually touching. But I think over time, as the bumper starts to drag it down a bit more, it will sit on top properly. So yeah, bolts as well. It's just 14mm nuts. The bolt and nut are 14mm, so it's pretty simple. And yeah, other than that, I'm pretty satisfied with the kit.